People often ask what I do with the leftovers, and usually I package it up, ship it, or send it to work with Dave. But in the case of individual pavlovas, I decided to taste test them and use the leftover, beautifully diced fruit that I had prepared for the project. Mango, papaya, kiwi, candy citrus, citrus that I had supremed, blood orange, grapefruit, navel orange, a little lime curd, some yogurt mixed with lime zest, a little persimmon that's been candied, and a nice grating of freeze-dried raspberry as decor. Everything else went into the compost, but I can see how pretty of a project it was, and I know it tasted really good. So that's what I do with my extra food. And there's really never any waste because I enjoy it all and I get to use the video forever.